Welcome. In today's tutorial, you'll learn step by step how to reply to a message directly from Receive Media on WhatsApp for PC using the new update. This feature makes conversations even smoother, letting you respond right from the media section without switching chats. Let's get started. First, open your WhatsApp app on your computer. You'll see the familiar interface with your chats on the left and message content on the right. Look over to the left side menu and find the media icon. It looks like a small image symbol. Go ahead and click on that. Next, you'll see all the media you've shared or received, photos, videos, and documents. Click on the media section to browse through everything and locate the specific media you want to reply to. If you have a large collection, don't worry, this new update makes sorting much easier. At the top of the window, click on the sort icon. This helps organize your files quickly. Once the sorting options appear, go ahead and choose others. This section shows media that doesn't fall under the usual categories, making it easier to pinpoint the exact item you're looking for. Now, once you've found the media file, right-click on it. A small menu will pop up. From that list, select Reply. A chat box will appear, just like when replying to a regular message. Type in your reply, maybe add a quick comment, a reaction, or clarification. Once you've written your message, double-check it if you need to, then click Send. That's it. Your reply will be attached directly to that media file, just like on your phone, keeping everything linked and organized. This small but handy update makes multitasking on WhatsApp PC effortless. Whether you're reviewing shared photos, files, or videos, you can now respond instantly without jumping through chats. Try it out today and make your desktop WhatsApp experience faster and more connected than ever.